Welcome to this episode of Builder Insight, produced by the Homeowner Protection Office. Builder Insight is a series of bulletins and short videos that provide practical information on emerging technical issues, new technologies, and good building practices for licensed residential builders and others in the industry. Today, we're looking at using rain screen walls for moisture protection. Rain screen wall assemblies are now being used in coastal British Columbia residential construction because they enhance water penetration control and help improve long-term performance of buildings. When properly detailed and built, a rain screen wall is an effective building envelope solution to external moisture penetration. A number of factors impact the effectiveness of rain screen wall assemblies, such as temperature, rainfall, relative humidity, wood moisture content, and pressure differences across the walls. The British Columbia Building Code includes moisture protection requirements for housing and small buildings. The code requires that building walls exposed to rain be protected by an exterior wall assembly consisting of two planes of protection. The first plane helps to shed the majority of water from entering the wall. The second plane of protection, known as the water-resistive barrier or sheathing membrane, keeps materials within the wall assembly dry. In high moisture index regions like BC's coastal areas, the first and second planes of protection must be separated by a 10 mm or 3/8 inch capillary break. In general, regions west of the Coast Mountain Range are considered high moisture index, and a capillary break is required behind the cladding of walls exposed to rain. The regions to the east of the Coast Mountains are considered moderate or low moisture index, and the mandatory requirement for the capillary break does not apply. As a matter of good building practice, designers and builders should always consider a 10 mm capillary break for walls in weather-exposed locations, such as direct exposure to open water, open fields, or on the sides or tops of hills and mountains, regardless of the moisture index zone. Roof overhangs are also effective in significantly reducing the amount of driving rain on a building facade.
A rain screen cavity is a type of wall assembly where the cladding is separated from the backup wall by an open air cavity. The airspace effectively increases the durability of both the cladding and the backup wall assembly.
Sheathing is typically plywood or OSB. Sheathing may be exposed to high relative humidity and moisture content levels for several months of the year. Consider using preservative-treated plywood, as well as vapor-permeable sheathing membranes as additional safety measures to keep highly exposed buildings dry. You can also consider adding exterior insulation outboard of the sheathing to improve the performance and durability of the wall assembly. This works best because the moisture-sensitive materials are kept warm and dry. Thanks for joining us today. For more information on rain screen walls and other topics, please visit our Homeowner Protection Office website. The Builder Insight Bulletin on this topic highlights the results of a decade-long study of 5 different buildings and shows rain screen walls are performing well in BC's coastal climate. You'll also find a range of best practice guides and other helpful online resources for residential builders at hpo.bc.ca. Special thanks to Association of Professional Engineers and Geoscientists of British Columbia,